Guys, you know that feeling when you have a clear idea in your head, but typing it all out just kills your flow? Yeah, I've been there too many times. But recently I discovered this tool called superwhisper, and I have to say it might be one of the best productivity upgrades I've made this year. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how this tool works and how it turns your voice into perfectly formatted text. We'll explore real use cases for coding and content creation that actually save time. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright, my friends, let's talk about what makes this tool special. superwhisper is an AI-powered voice-to-text app for Mac that goes way beyond basic dictation. It doesn't just transcribe what you say, it understands context and formats your output properly. The app runs locally, which means your voice data stays private. Folks, no recordings get sent to random servers. You can also use cloud models for extra accuracy, but the choice is yours. What sets superwhisper apart is the post-processing. After transcription, it cleans up your speech automatically. It removes filler words, fixes grammar, and adapts the tone to match your use case. Whether you're writing code prompts or marketing emails, it adjusts accordingly. The app supports custom modes too. Each mode can have its own voice model, processing settings, and formatting rules. This level of control makes it perfect for developers and content creators who need precision. Alright folks, let's walk through the setup. The good news is it takes less than 2 minutes. First, head over to the superwhisper website. Download the app and drag it to your applications folder. When you first launch it, grant microphone permissions. You'll also see options to choose your preferred language and voice model. And that's really how basic the setup is, guys. No complex configuration, just a few clicks. Now let's open the main interface. In the sidebar, you'll see the Modes section with pre-configured options. There's Home for general dictation, plus specialized modes you can create. You'll also find vocabulary for custom terms, configuration for fine-tuning, sound settings, even history to review your past recordings. The default hotkey to start dictation is Option plus space. Press it anywhere on your Mac, speak your mind, and superwhisper will insert the text right where your cursor is. And that works across every app, folks. You can organize your modes from 1 to 9, and then quickly select them using the combination of Option, Shift, and K keys. From the Settings menu, you can adjust processing strength. If you want aggressive cleanup that removes all hesitations, crank it up. If you prefer keeping your natural speaking style, dial it down. Okay, my friends, before we dive into real use cases, let me quickly test the recording. I'll hit the hotkey and say a few sentences to show you how responsive it is. Watch how fast the transcription appears and how clean the output looks without any manual editing. This immediate feedback is what makes the tool feel so natural to use. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So how does this work in practice? Let me show you 2 scenarios where superwhisper genuinely improves my workflow. Case 1. Coding with AI assistants. Guys, when I'm working with Cursor or Claude, I often need to explain complex features. Typing long prompts breaks my concentration. With superwhisper, I just hit my hotkey and explain what I need. The app transcribes everything, removes the filler sounds, and delivers a clean prompt. This is especially useful when describing architecture decisions. Let me show you what I mean, folks. You can see how much faster that was. The dictated version came out cleaner as well. Case 2. Writing marketing content and emails. Folks, this is where the email mode really shines. When responding to user feedback or writing newsletter drafts, speaking feels more natural than typing. I'll show you how email mode works. It automatically adds greetings, proper punctuation, and even a sign-off. What really stands out is how natural the output sounds. Many dictation tools produce robotic text that needs heavy editing. Superwhisper maintains your voice while making it professional. Let me show one more example with documentation. I'll dictate a technical explanation for a GitHub README. Guys, with traditional dictation, you'd spend minutes cleaning that up. Here it's ready to commit immediately. The real power shows up when you create custom modes. You can set specific instructions for different workflows. In settings, you can create a new mode and define exactly how the AI should process your speech. This flexibility is what separates superwhisper from basic speech to text. It's not just transcription, it's intelligent text generation based on voice input. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Super Whisper is one of those tools that quietly transforms how you work. For developers who spend time prompting AI or writing documentation, this saves significant time. For content creators managing emails and marketing copy, it makes writing feel effortless. Guys, download this app and experiment with different modes. Share it with your team too, especially if you're collaborating on content-heavy projects. Have you tried voice-to-text tools before? What's been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.